Now then, it's him and me. We're out and about somewhere on the Derbyshire-Nottinghamshire border, and we're going to get a record of this bush. What's actually hiding behind it. The unfortunate thing is there's a whole video been put on the internet, and I think it'll be a few weeks it'll get fenced off. So I thought we'd capture, and I'll take you down there and have a look. Off we go then. It's getting a bit overgrown this time of year, but I'm sure we'll manage. Somebody's going to say, "God, where's that?" Well, guess what, viewers? You're going to have to do a bit of research and find out. Watch them spiders don't get you. It's amazing how intact it is after all these years. Here, you're out my shelter. Who's that? Hey up, I've got a bone to pick with you. I bet you have. That must be Skeleton Crew. He's been here a long time, hasn't he? Well, we got all sorts down here. Who'd have thought all this were here? It's like a maze. We're going to get lost. That old telephone connector up there.
There's one here, no.
And there's an air shaft, look, going up there. I don't know if you can see it, the air hole's up there. Oh, I've got a bit of daylight going on here. Now that's a better way in. We don't have to fight bushes there. Now, from what I understand, where this is, I don't think that the Germans actually dropped anything in this vicinity. Certainly got a little bit close because they dropped 1 or 2 bombs into Nottingham. And a bit of colourful graffiti here, look. They must have had a field down, they must have known what was going on here, because a massive war effort that was coming out this steel works that was here. Another air shaft. I've got total daylight up there, look. On it goes.
Bike seat there.
There's a what?
Bike seat.
Bike seat. Somebody's nicked the bike, left the seat. So there we are, right at the end. You can feel the heat from the sun. So there we are. What do you think to that?
Brilliant, man.
How good's that?
Can't believe it.
Yes. So we'll see you next time on the next video. Ta-ra a bit.